Moving to a new country comes with exciting opportunities, but there's one challenge that often catches people off guard: building a credit score from scratch. If you're finding yourself staring at this financial puzzle, wondering how to even begin, take a deep breath. Today, I'm going to walk you through this process step by step, just like I'd explain it to a friend sitting across the table from me. Now, before we dive into the how-tos, let's talk about why this matters. Your credit score is essentially your financial handshake. It's how lenders, landlords, and even some employers gauge your reliability. In most countries, this number ranges between 300 and 850. And as someone new to the system, you're starting with a blank slate. But here's the good news. With the right approach, you can build something strong from the ground up. Let's start with your financial foundation. Opening a local bank account isn't just about having a place to store your money. It's about establishing roots in the financial system. Many banks actually offer special accounts for newcomers, so don't hesitate to ask about these options. Think of this account as your financial home base. The more stable and active it is, the more credibility you'll build over time. Speaking of credibility, here's where we introduce your new best friend, the secured credit card. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why get a card that requires me to lock up my own money? Here's the secret. This card isn't about spending power. It's about building trust. Use it for small, regular purchases, your morning coffee, weekly groceries. Then pay it off completely every month. It's like leaving breadcrumbs of financial responsibility that lenders will follow. But wait, there's another tool that often flies under the radar. Credit builder loans work backwards in the best possible way. Instead of getting money up front, you make small monthly payments into a protected account. When you've completed the payments, you get the money back. And more importantly, you've created a perfect payment history. It's like financial training wheels that leave a glowing paper trail. Now, let's talk about your everyday habits. Those utility bills and rent payments, they might not directly boost your credit score in all countries, but they're still crucial. Set up automatic payments for your phone bill, electricity, and rent. Not just because it's convenient, but because this consistency becomes part of your financial fingerprint. Future lenders and landlords will take notice. Here's something that could give you a helpful boost. If you have a trusted friend or family member with strong credit, being added as an authorized user on their card could share some of that positive history. But here's the key. Make absolutely sure the card issuer reports authorized users to credit bureaus first. It's like getting credit for someone else's good behavior, but only if the system recognizes it. As you're putting all these pieces together, make it a habit to check your credit report regularly. Think of it like checking your reflection before an important meeting. You want to catch any smudges or errors before others see them. Most countries offer free annual reports, so mark your calendar and make this part of your routine. Now, here's the part that requires the most patience. Credit building isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Avoid the temptation to apply for multiple cards or loans at once, as too many applications can actually work against you. Instead, focus on consistency with the tools you have. Mark your calendar for 6 months from today. That's when you'll likely start seeing real progress. Building credit as a foreigner isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a financial story that lenders can believe in. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.